Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be clearing out my wardrobe, so it's a bit of a different video for you today. But I got obsessed with the home edit and then I saw Dainty Dress Diaries clearing out her kitchen and I said, now's the time, Sarah. This is a sign. So it's time to clear out my wardrobes. I really don't want to do it. I would rather spend my Saturday doing literally anything else, but I know I need to do it. Like, I only use one section of my wardrobe at the minute because the other section is all like work clothes and like jeans and stuff I haven't worn since like the first lockdown, because I'm working from home now. So I guess I'm just gonna clear out and see what I actually need and what fits and what doesn't, because a lot of stuff doesn't even fit anymore, so it's silly to keep it, and I'll just keep what I really want. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get started. I don't want to do it.
To start, I just put everything on my bed so I could see if I had multiple of different things, and that just helped me sort of cull out different things that I didn't need anymore, because I had a lot of jumpers and stuff like that. And then you'll see me just hanging out with Ted because I love him. I divided everything into yes, no, and maybe piles because some things I couldn't make my mind up. But you'll just see me here on the ground. I'm watching TV, so that's what I'm looking at. I think I watched Dawson's Creek actually, and I couldn't get into it at all. The 90s was a long time ago. But yeah, here I am. And now I'll show you the results. I got those blue dividers in IKEA. They're super handy just for small bits like little t-shirts and tank tops and stuff. I use a little basket there as well. I think that's from Penny's, but they're really handy, I have to say. This was the wardrobe that I was most ashamed of. So I had a lot of clearing out to do, and it is quite ugly in general because it's got the boiler, but I was so pleased with this result. And now I'll just show you a quick look around my room, which I did a few months ago, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. So I'll just show you some of the details.
Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it a little bit satisfying, and if it inspires you to clean out something at home, I will feel so touched because I'm such a messy person. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I definitely feel a lot lighter having it done. So I would recommend it during this lockdown to just clear out a little bit of room for yourself. And I won't lie, my room is now currently in chaos with, like, I have a light set up for this video, but then I've also got like a few bits that I just don't know where they're gonna go. I'm like, where do you live? Where will you go? And that's just caused clutter in my room, so I will sort that out before I go to bed. This actually took forever. It was 2 weekends work, so I hope you like it. And yeah, I'm glad I filmed it. At least I have something to show for all this time spent cleaning. It's so boring. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and send me in your worst drawer pics and cabinet pics where you just dump everything. Please, it'll make me feel better. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications when you know, so you know when my next video comes out. I'm getting video out weekly at the minute, so definitely check that out. And check out my Instagram at colourfulsaz to see more of my work. Thanks so much.